Welcome back to quantreef.com. Bitcoin sitting right around 77,600, tucked into a tight range that's worth picking apart. Today we'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where this is likely headed over the next several hours. Let's get into it. Price is 77,602. Holding above session VWAP at 76,912 and above both anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low, which sit at 77,212 and 76,887. That's roughly 1/3% apart, so still two distinct references, and price accepting above all three tells you buyers have been in control of value here, even though momentum reads mixed given the tight range. Heatmap's not showing clean pool data right now, so I'll lean on the structural picture instead. What we do know is stop hunt risk is flagged high with low structure strength, meaning this is exactly the kind of spot where price can wick through a level just to grab resting orders before snapping back. That cuts both ways here, so treat any quick poke through nearby support or resistance with suspicion rather than as confirmation. On the panel right now, resistance above comes in 3 steps, target 1 at 78,752, target 2 way up at 84,198, and target 3 at 90,099. Below, support sits at the 1-hour swing low, 76,854, then the stop-loss line at 76,675. Given how close price is sitting to that swing low, I'd lean toward downside being tested first, and a clean break of 76,675 is what would flip this read bearish. Every fair value gap on this chart sits below price, none above. Nearest is a daily bull gap from 73,400 up to 76,500, about 3.5% down, then a 4-hour gap around 73,950, then a deeper daily gap near 71,500. All unfilled, all acting like magnets if this range breaks down. On the fib side, price is parked right at the 0.382 retracement near 77,575, which is currently the more immediate battleground compared to those distant gaps. Card reads neutral, N at 84, HTS at 63. Trend and structure at 77 and volume and liquidity at 87 are the layers doing the heavy lifting, while Fibonacci and location at 44 is the drag, with macro and crypto relative strength sitting flat at 50. On flow, 4-hour takers are 79% one-sided the wrong way for bulls, no wait, taker short is 57.9 against taker long 42.1, so short sellers have been pressing harder into this level even as price holds up. With shorts dominating the 4-hour taker flow at 58% against buyers holding price above VWAP and the 0.382 fib, there's a real chance this is a trapped short position, and a squeeze back toward target 1 at 78,752 becomes the path if 76,854 holds. Fail that support though, and those daily fair value gaps near 73 to 76 become the logical draw, unwinding the long side fast. Bullish case confirms above 76,854 holding, targeting 78,752 then 84,200. Bearish case confirms on a break of 76,675, opening the door toward the 65,800 region tied to the short setups pool. So we're sitting right at a decision point, and whichever side takes the next liquidity pool likely dictates the next rail move. If this kind of layered read helps, drop a like and subscribe, and check out quantreef.com, where this same 9-layer grade, probability, and liquidity framework runs across 100+ coins, with a 7-day trial to try it yourself. As always, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.